How Afghanistan developed its own supercar in a time of adversity. Afghanistan, a country often associated with conflict and challenges, has recently made headlines in the automotive world. The reason? The SUMERGH, Afghanistan's first ever indigenous supercar, which has taken the global stage by storm. Named after the mythical bird from Persian mythology and manufactured by Kabul-based company Entop, the SUMERGH made its grand debut at the Geneva Motor Show in Qatar. This wasn't just any debut, it was a statement. A statement that despite the adversities faced by the nation, including the recent Taliban takeover and the challenges posed by the pandemic, innovation and creativity can still thrive. Mohammad Reza Ahmadi, the chief executive officer of Entop, who also dons the hats of chief engineer and designer, has been the driving force behind this project. His vision was clear from the outset, to showcase a different side of Afghanistan, a side that the world rarely gets to see. "I want to build something to put my country on the map again," Ahmadi remarked, emphasizing his determination to change global perceptions about his homeland. The SUMERGH's design is nothing short of breathtaking. At first glance, one might even mistake it for the Batmobile, given its sleek, black, low-slung design complemented by flared wheel arches. However, upon closer inspection, it becomes evident that this is a vehicle with its own unique identity. Despite certain imperfections, like an uneven windshield sealing and unfinished interiors, the car's design and intent are clear: to put Afghanistan on the global automotive map. But the SUMERGH is not just about aesthetics. It's powered by a 4-cylinder engine, and while some automotive enthusiasts have pointed out its similarities to the engine found in a 2004 Toyota Corolla, Entop has indicated that modifications have been made. The company has ambitious plans for the SUMERGH, including potential upgrades to an all-electric powertrain in the future. Ahmadi's aspirations for the SUMERGH don't stop at showcasing it at international auto shows. He has set his sights on the prestigious Le Mans 24 Hours race. To achieve this dream, Entop aims to secure a whopping $49 million to refine the SUMERGH and make it race-ready. "We plan to start sales after the SUMERGH has been through Le Mans, where it can be tested and prove itself," Ahmadi shared, highlighting his confidence in the vehicle's capabilities. The SUMERGH is more than just a supercar. It's a testament to the fact that even in the face of adversity, creativity, innovation, and determination can shine through.